Okay, good evening, class. Welcome back to our English conversation class. It's nice to see you guys again tonight. Hopefully, you guys also feel the same and then ready to join the rest of the class to learn the conversation. Okay. All right. Without any further ado, now allow me to share the material that we are going to discuss tonight. Continuing chapter 22 still. Okay. All right, there you go. All right. As always, let's do the role play, guys. For this chapter role play, I need 8 volunteers. You may raise your hands. I'll assign the dialogue to you guys, okay? This is the place, this is the time for you guys to make mistakes because this is where you're gonna get the guide. Okay, I'm gonna guide you to do the right pronunciation. Okay, so take the chance and then improve yourself. All right, so while waiting for the rest of the class to join us, okay, hold on. Let's do a little review on the underlined words, guys. I need you guys to pay attention to these words, phrases, okay? So that way when your turn to do that dialogue, you can do it correctly, okay? So, okay, on Jackie's dialogue number 1, the words you guys need to pay attention are psychology, okay, is actually, okay, only one here, psychology, okay. This is the same way when you guys pronounce as biology, okay. At school we learn biology, right? So biology, okay, no biologi, okay. Biologi is in bahasa, okay. So in English is logy, okay. Psychology, sociology, okay. So remember that. And then number 2, Lisa, we have the words since early this afternoon. And then the other one is bought. I just bought. Okay, the past tense of buy. And the other one is Arthur. Arthur John Grisham. Okay, Arthur John Grisham. Okay, pengarang yang bernama John Grisham. Okay, move on to Jackie's number 2. The words are experience with the legal system like the client. Okay, nah ingat ya, the client di tulisannya tulisan miring, it's in italic because that's the title, usually the title of the book or the movies or anything like that. Okay, so pay attention to the words experience and then legal instead of legal, okay. It's spelling the same, okay, in English and bahasa, pronounced totally different, okay. Legal dan legal, okay. And then the client, the other one is to read, okay, instead of to read, okay. Because when you see the verb and then the verb follow the word to, then that is, can assure you, then that is the present tense, okay, present verb, okay. So pay attention. So his books are very easy to read, okay. Next, move on to Lisa's number 3. The words are favorite instead of favorite, Okay, that's in Indonesian. Okay, favorite, favorite, not favorite. Okay, it's favorite. And then Reggie Love, novel, instead of novel, it's novel. An 11-year-old kid. Okay, no S on the years or on the olds. Okay, yeah, other ones are interesting, interesting to read. And then, have you read? Okay, now look at this. The read here, the word read follows the word to. Okay, so we pronounce that as to read. Now, on the other sentence, we have the word read, but that read follow the word have. So if the word read follows the word have, has, had, then that the tense that's used is going to be a present or past participle. So the read has to pronounce as read. Okay, have you read The Chamber? Okay, all right. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3 of Jackie's dialogue. The words are capital and written. Written here is a past tense, and then the sentence here is the verb number 2 is a past verb, okay, and then the tenses uses here is passive. It was written, ditulis, okay, ceritanya ditulis. Nah, kira begitu dah. Okay, number 4, Jackie's, the words are emphasis, emphasis, and college. And then Lisa, number 6 are past tense here, okay? I read, okay? So the word read, okay, actually for the present is read and past is read and participle is read. Read, 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 okay? And the other one is I found, I kept, okay, instead of I keep, so the kept here is a past tense of keep. So I kept on reading his books. Saya terus membaca buku-bukunya. On Jackie's number 6, he has written. Okay, look, this is the word written is follows the word has. So this is a present participle. If this is a word read, then you have to pronounce that as read. Okay, he has read. Okay, here is write, wrote, written. Okay, the verb changing. On Jackie's number 7, the word is legal system. On Lisa number 8 is psychology to law, law only, hukum, okay. 8, Jackie is novels, legal system, psychology, okay. It's the same with the other ones, okay. The difference is the expertise. Keahlianmu dalam bidang psikologi, okay. Expertise. Next on Lisa number 9 is creative, creative, and require, require. Do you think I am creative enough? That would require a lot of talent. Okay, so that's it for you guys to pay attention. Okay, now let's do the role play. I need 8 volunteers. Okay, all right. Good. Okay, I see Dani already attend the class earlier. Okay. Thank you for the efforts. All right, let's see now. Nani. Okay, I'll have Nani taking care of Nani. Okay, give me 1 second, huh? Okay, Master Amin. Master Amin is doing Lisa number 1 until number 3. And then I'll have, I need 8 volunteers, okay? Give me 1 moment. Okay, Peter. Peter is doing Lisa number 4 until number 6. I try to give you guys a different parts every week, okay? Okay, let's see Danny. Danny will do Jackie number 1 and 2. And then Nani will do Lisa number 7 and 8. Okay. Meanwhile, you have any question, you may type on the chat. Okay, give me 1 moment. Chat. Okay, Miss Fanny, huh? Okay, give me 1 second. All right, so I'll have Miss Fanny taking care of Jackie number 3 and 4. So now we have 3 spots left. Okay. Miss Lily. Okay. I'll have Miss Lily taking care of Jackie number 5 until number 7. All right, only 2 left, guys. Okay. 2 more. All right, so now let's give another minute, 7:15, for the other classmates to get their self settled down before encourage themselves to raise your hand, okay? This is the time for you to improve, guys. Okay. After we're done with the role play, we'll continue with the comprehension test about the dialogue between Lisa and Jackie. So you guys need to pay attention to what your classmates saying and that, okay? So that way you can answer the comprehension test, all right? So that's showing how much you will understand the dialogue, okay? Okay, past participle. Okay, give me 1 second. Okay, 7:15 already. Okay, let's do this then. Just give me 1 second. Oh, okay. Thank you for your suggestion, Peter. Well, since this is a volunteer, so I don't pick them, okay? Whoever is interested, then they may just raise their hand, okay? So that's voluntarily. Okay. Okay, anyway. So, since nobody else raising hands, so okay. want to okay, so let's see. Give me one moment, okay? So I'll have Peter is doing Lisa number 9 until 11, and then Danny is doing Jackie number 8 to 10, okay? Let me repeat again, guys. Lisa number 1 until number 3 is taken care by Mr. Amin. And then Danny will do Jackie number 1 and 2. Peter is doing Lisa number 4 until number 6. Miss Fanny is doing Jackie number 3 and 4. Nani is doing Lisa number 7 and 8. Miss Lily is doing Jackie number 5 until number 7. Peter is doing Lisa number 9 until 11. And then Danny is doing Jackie number 8 until number 10. All right. Now allow me to unmute you guys. As always, the least background sound will be really helpful to the rest of the class since we are going to have the comprehension review about the dialogue. Okay, guys? So we really appreciate that. Okay. All right.
Hello, Miss. Good evening.
Good evening, Mr. Amin. How's the weather in your city?
Oh, it's very hot.
Oh, hot now?
Hot.
Oh,
Hot.
Good
oh
Jakarta hot.
gosh.
Susan.
Hi, Miss Lily. How was how's the weather in your city?
Same with me, with Mr. Amin.
Oh my God, hot?
Mhm.
Oh my gosh, here is raining.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Good evening, Peter. Is that
Hello,
Peter?
Miss. Good
Good
evening,
evening,
Miss.
Danny. Okay, it's nice to hear your guys' voice. Anyway, doesn't matter how the weather is right now, but I believe you're enjoying your AC. So just cooling down, and then relaxing during the night time and while learning with me. Okay, hopefully it's gonna be beneficial to your life. Okay, guys. So everybody remember their parts.
Yes, Miss.
Perfect. Thank you. Okay, so now it's your turn. Times is yours, guys. We may start with Mr. Amin.
Hi, Jackie. How are you doing today?
Danny.
Yes, I'm good. I just got out of my psychology lecture. It was so boring. I'm glad I'm done for the day. How are you doing? Did you just get out of class too?
No, I have been out of class since early this afternoon, and I have been reading this new book I just bought. Have you ever heard of the author John Grisham?
Yeah, John Grisham is a lawyer who has written a lot of books based on his knowledge and experience with legal system. The Cylon, his books are very easy to read, and they give a lot of information on how the legal system works.
Yeah, The Client is one of my favorite books. I love Mark Swart and Reggie Love, the two main characters of the novel. From an 11-year-old kid, Mark is all beyond his year and so streetwise. John Grisham's special sense of humor has made his character very entertaining, and the book much more interesting to read. Have you read The Chamber?
December is a pretty good book too. The story about a grandson who tried to save the grandfather he has never really known gave me an insight on how the legal system works in the case of capital punishment. This story was somber and was written in a more serious tone.
John Grisham really knows how to adapt his writing style to each situation. That is probably one of the reasons for his success.
Miss Fanny?
Penny number 3, Jackie, Miss.
No, no. So you go ahead, do the Jackie number 4. Okay. Right now it's number 4. And then after that, you may do the Jackie number 8, okay?
Jackie number. Yes, Miss.
Go ahead. Jackie number 4.
Lisa number 4. Siapa?
Jackie. Jackie number 4 right now.
John Grisham's success is an example of the importance of education, even though his parents were poor and did not have a decent education. His mother put a lot of emphasis on his education and pushed him to go to college.
I have to agree with you on that. Education is one of the best tools to achieve success in life. That is the reason why we are still in school, right?
Right. But why the sudden interest in John Grisham, Lisa?
Well, I read his first book and I found it very interesting. So I kept on reading his books. I already have a collection of all his work.
He has written at least 20 books. Did you read all of them? Did you have that much free time?
No, I only read his legal fiction books. I have not touched any of his.
Nani number Lisa 7, huh?
No, I only read. I only read his legal fiction books. I have not touched any on his non-legal fiction or his non-fiction books.
I see that you are very interested in learning about the legal system.
Yes, very much. I find it fascinating, however, not enough to change my major from psychology to law yet.
Maybe you should follow John Graham's example. He is a lawyer and he writes novels about the legal system. You can finish your studies in psychology and then write novels based on your experience in psychology.
That is a good idea. However, do you think I am creative enough to be able to weave all sorts of stories like John Grisham? That would require a lot of talent, and I do not know whether I have it in me.
Sunny.
Number 9 ya.
Yes, Jackie 9.
You never know unless you try. Anyway, people say, where there is a will, there is a way, right?
And there is also writer's block. Those moments when you sit in front of the computer, ready to put your story in writing, and yet your mind is completely blank. You keep on trying, and nothing comes. I mean, absolutely nothing.
Still, you never know unless you try, Lisa. Oh, it is almost 3 o'clock. I need to run or I will miss the bus. See you later, Lisa.
Bye, Jackie. Talk to you later.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, guys. Unmute you guys. Okay. All right. So, from the intonation, I can see the for that what do you call? For Peter, you have a lot of improvement since the very first time you joined. Okay, I can see that. Okay, a lot. Okay, very good. Okay, and then let's have a review here, guys. A little only. Okay, let's check on Jackie number 2. Okay, lawyer. Okay, where is it? Lawyer. Okay, here. All right, so the word is law. Okay, the main word is, let's see, give me 1 second. So the base word here is law, okay? And then since the person who's doing the law is called lawyer, dalam bahasa Indonesianya tuh lawyer pengacara ya. Okay, so let's see. Go. Jackie number 2. So here, okay. So it's lawyer. Okay, John Grisham is a lawyer who has written. Okay, this is the pronounced as written instead of written. Okay, because remember, okay, look, when you have the word write, okay, look how you pronounce the write, W-R-I-T-E. Okay, now meanwhile, this is, okay, that's for the present verb, and then change to wrote, and then change to written. Okay, now look how I write the written, W-R-I-T-T, double T. Okay, there is no one T. Okay, okay, look, it's written. Okay, so look at it, compare the written and write. Okay, so it's double T, so we pronounce that as a written. And then move on to Lisa number 7. Lisa 7, we have the word touch. Okay, touch. I have not touched any of his non-legal fiction or his non-fiction book. Okay, so right here, okay, right here we have the word I only read. Okay, yes, this is read. Yes, because first, how do I know this is read? Because look, this is a present tense with the word only. Okay, so that's one of the characteristic of the present tense. Okay, okay, so no, I only read his legal fiction book. I have not touched. Okay, then the other one we have on Lisa number 8, the word is fascinating. Fascinating. I find it fascinating. Okay. Menarik. Okay. And then Jackie number 9, the word is no. I know. No now. Okay, I know. Okay, Jackie number 9. Okay. You never know. Okay. Here is a verb. Okay. The one that I heard pronounced was now. Okay. Now. Okay. Now is explaining about the time. Oke, now dalam bahasa Indonesia itu adalah sekarang. Kemudian kalau no itu tahu. Saya tahu itu, oke. You never know unless you try. Kamu tidak akan pernah tahu sampai kamu mencobanya. Nah, kira-kira begitu, oke. So, that's it for today that I need you guys to correct yourself, okay? So, let's have Danny, okay? Correct yourself.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, let's see on Jackie number 9. Do you see the difference between the word no, the word now and no? Okay,
Now,
you never know unless. Oke, nah di sini yang kata yang you never know ini no-nya itu memang pronounce-nya itu mirip dengan kata no. Nobody, no food, no books, like that. Ya, memang sama. Okay, that's called homophones. Okay, you never know unless you try. Okay, nah kemudian yang di bagian atas ini dipronounce-nya now. NOW itu bacanya now. Nah,
now.
now ini menunjukkan keterangan waktu ya. Okay, showing the determination of the time. Sana kalau yang ini yang di dalam kalimat you never know unless you try, no-nya di sini adalah a verb, kata kerja. Okay, you understand the difference? Yes?
Yes, I
Okay,
understand.
perfect. Okay, so you never know unless you try. Okay, you may repeat.
You never know. You never know unless you try.
Yes, perfect. Okay, so you never know. So when you talk to people, oh, I know where it is. You don't say, I never know. Okay, they're going to get confused because when you say now, they're going to think about this, the time, now. Now dalam bahasa Indonesia itu artinya sekarang, saat ini. Okay, N-O-W, to now. Okay, so the other one I need you to check here is on the Jackie number 2. Let me see. Jackie number 2, the words are lawyer. Okay, Jackie. Okay, lawyer. You may repeat after me.
Lawyer.
Yes, perfect. So, jadi kalau lawyer ini, the base word for lawyer is law. Okay. Kata dasar dari lawyer ini adalah law. L-A-W, law. Okay. Change from from psychology to law. Remember that word law? Okay, so it's lawyer. Okay. And the other word is written instead of written. Written. May repeat.
Written.
Yes, perfect. So you may repeat the whole sentence, okay? John Grisham is a lawyer who has written a lot of books based on his knowledge and experience with the legal system like the client. You may repeat.
Yeah, John Grisham is a lawyer who has written a lot of books based on his knowledge and experience with the legal system, like the client.
The legal system like the client.
the legal system like the client.
Perfect. Okay. All right. Danny has any question?
Miss, artinya apa, Miss?
Oh, ini artinya nomor 2 ya. Begini, oke. Nah, di nomor 2, Lisa nomor 2 ini dia bertanya, oh saya sudah keluar sejak tadi, kemudian saya sedang membaca buku yang barusan ku beli. Apakah kamu pernah tahu tentang pengarang John Grisham? Nah, itu di Lisa nomor 2 ya. Kemudian si Jackie bilang, oh iya tahu, John Grisham itu adalah seorang pengacara yang menulis buku-buku, yang menulis banyak buku, oke? Terkait dengan pengetahuan dan juga pengalamannya dalam bidang legalitas, legal system itu seperti hukum ya, hukum di dalam suatu negara, oke? Dia itu adalah seorang pengarang yang sudah banyak menulis buku. Kemudian bukunya itu berkaitan dengan pengetahuan dan juga pengalamannya dalam menangani hukum. Misalnya itu bukunya contohnya seperti The Client, dia bilang gitu. Nah, The Client ini adalah salah satu buku yang ditulis oleh si John Grisham. Kemudian he said, his books are very easy to read and they give a lot of information on how the legal system works. Bukunya itu mudah dipahami, saat dibaca itu mudah dipahami dan juga memberikan banyak informasi tentang bagaimana sih kerja ini hukum itu bekerja di negara tersebut, maksudnya ya. Bagaimana hukum itu beroperasi, bekerja begitu kira-kira. Oke? Got it?
Okay, I get
Okay,
it.
perfect.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Keep on try to practice on your own. Okay. When even though I unmute you guys, once I pronounce any words, you may repeat on yourself there. Okay, Dani?
Okay, Miss.
You have a lot of improvement already. Just keep on doing it. Okay.
Okay,
Perfect.
thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, so move on to Lisa number 7. Okay, Lisa number 7. The word is touch. I have not touched. Okay, so touch here is the verb number 3. Okay, touch, touched, touched. Okay, nah kalau touch ini adalah is called regular verb. Okay, so the changing of the verb from present verb to past verb and then a participle verb is only adding the ed. Okay, so the first verb is touch and then touched with the ed, touched. Okay, there's a t like that towards the end. Okay, so Lisa number 7, I'll have Nani correct yourself. Now you may repeat after me. Okay, so Nani, you already pronounced this word read correctly, so just be really sure. You don't have to I can see that you had the doubts when you were reading there, right? Okay, so you may repeat after me. Okay, touched.
Touched.
Okay, touch.
Touched.
Okay, now the first present verb is like this. Okay, let me write it so you guys can see. Nah, jadi kalau kata touch itu kan dalam bahasa Indonesia menyentuh ya. Touch, that's the first verb. Okay, and then the second and the third one, you just add the ed. Okay, so let's do the first verb, present verb, touch.
Touched.
Yes, so the first one is we have like s, sounds like s towards the end. Okay, touch.
Touched.
Okay, and then the second verb, past tense, and then past verb, and then participle verb is touched.
Touched.
Yes, so you can hear like, can you hear the difference when you say it?
Yes.
Yes, okay, then that's good then. Because this is, she didn't touch the food, she touched her sister's foot. Okay, so when you say, you gotta touched ed. Okay, all right, so you may repeat after me. Okay, I have not touched any of his non-legal fiction or his non-fiction books.
I have not touched any of his non-legal fiction or his non-fiction books.
Very good. Okay, now let's move on to Lisa number 8. Okay, the word is fascinating.
Fascinating.
Thing.
Fascinating.
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 Yeah, okay, there you go. Okay, so give me 1 second. Let me see. So now you may repeat after me. Yes, very much. I find it fascinating.
Yes, very much. I find it fascinating.
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 Okay. You just keep on practice on your own. Okay, fascinating. Okay, fascinating itu sebut, yeah, I find it interesting, like that. Yeah, something like that. Okay, that's what it means. Okay, now you have any question, Anani?
Thank you, Miss.
No. Okay, keep on repeating. Okay, Nani, practicing.
Yes, Miss. Thank you.
Okay, perfect. Okay, that's it for the review today. Okay, now let's move on to the expression, comprehension expression done. Okay, the comprehension test about what they were talking about. Jackie and Lisa were talking about. You guys already answer until G, F, G, H, I. Okay, I already done. E, F. This is F. Okay, give me 1 second. This is F, G. Oh, this is the one. This is J supposed to be. I already done. This is J. Hold on, guys. Okay, this is the one on the book is messed up. G, see? F, G, H. F already done. G not yet. Why does Lisa like the novel The Client? G not yet. H, what is the one of the reason? GH. Okay, H done. G not yet. Why does Lisa like the novel The Client? So this is J here, supposed to be IJ. This is J. 1 second, let me fix. This is J here. Okay. So you guys already, what kind of books John Grisham write? Okay, this is J. Okay. J. So actually we haven't answered G. Let me see on the top. Okay, not yet. Okay. Why does Lisa like the novel The Client? Mengapa Lisa itu suka novel The Client? Oh, F. Hold on. Already here. She lost the character of the... Okay, so F. This is G. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me fix it first. A, B, C, D, E, F here, G, H, I, J. Okay. Finish until J. Now move on to K. Does Lisa have a complete collection of John Grisham work? Okay. Let's see. I saw Shirley earlier. Where did she go now? Shirley, are you still here? Okay. I saw Shirley earlier raising hands, man. Okay. Well, number K. Does Lisa have a complete collection of John Grisham's work? Apakah Lisa mempunyai semua koleksi buku-buku hasil karya John Grisham? Okay, let's hear from Nani. Okay, number K, please, Nani.
Does Lisa have a complete collection of John Grisham books?
You remember? Okay, Lisa. Okay.
No.
Okay, and then okay, what does she have? What kind of which collection she has?
She only read legal fiction
Legal.
books. Legal
Okay.
fiction books.
Okay, so actually, non-legal fiction. Okay, Lisa only has the legal fiction. Okay, so legal fiction is like this. This is a fiction story about the legal system. Okay, now look on the Lisa number 7 here. I have not touched any of his non-legal fiction. So this is the fiction, but doesn't relate to the legal system. And then the other one, he has a non-fiction book. Okay, this is more like it's not fiction. Okay, jadi bukan cerita fiksi. Okay, tapi dia tentang totally about the legal fiction, legal system. So Lisa only read the legal fiction. Okay, let's answer number K. Okay, now you may answer the full sentence, please. No, no. Lisa, no, she. Does Lisa have a complete collection of John Grisham?
She doesn't.
She doesn't. She doesn't.
Complete.
She doesn't have. Where's the has to be followed by the what do you call verb? No, she doesn't have a complete collection
of John Grisham books.
Okay, yes, collection of John Grisham's work. Here they use work, but we can use book also. Okay, okay. She only reads. Okay, you may add also. She only reads.
She only reads.
Okay, reads. She only read what? The legal
Fiction book.
The legal fiction books. Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay, perfect. Let me see. This one is she doesn't. This is a number K. Okay, perfect. Any question, Nani?
No, thank you, Miss.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay, so Lisa only read the legal fiction books. Okay, so move on to number L. According to Jackie, what should Lisa do after she finishes school? Oke, menurut Jackie nih, usulan Jackie, apa yang harus dilakukan Lisa setelah dia lulus nanti, lulus kuliah? Oke. Alright, so okay, let's hear from you, Dia.
Yes,
Okay, thank you for
sorry.
joining the discussion. Okay,
Yes, I am the first time.
okay, very good. That's
Okay.
hopefully you enjoy this. Okay, let's see on the L. Okay, now question
Okay.
number L.
According to Jackie, what should Lisa do after she finish school?
She finishes.
Finishes school. Okay.
Yes, because this is a
Uh,
present tense, okay?
uh,
So, all
uh,
right, so you want to check out on the conversation again? Okay,
and
give one
yes.
second.
Again, Jackie suggests to Lisa sh should follow John Grisham example.
Hmm.
Terus Lisa can finish the studies in psychology and then write novel based on her expertise in psychology.
Okay, expertise.
Expertise.
Okay, all right, so
Expertise
I
in
also agree with you, D. Okay, so let's go back to our question and try to make a complete answer on number L. Okay. All right. According to Jackie, what should Lisa do after she finishes school? Okay. So Jackie, you
Jackie
said
suggests
suggest Lisa to
Lisa
follow. Yes, you said.
follow John Grisham example.
To follow John Grisham example.
He can
Okay.
finish her studies in psychology.
Finishes. Okay. Finishing her school. Yes, because here on the question is after she finishes school. Okay. Finish school and write.
Write novel based
Novel
on her expertise in psychology.
based on her expertise
in psychology.
Very good. I also agree with you. Okay, perfect. Okay, you do you have any question?
No.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Yudi.
Thank
Okay, so that's our Yudi's answer number L. Okay, jadi apa saran dari Jackie setelah Lisa nanti lulus sekolah? So Lisa si Jackie menyarankan Lisa untuk meniru jejaknya, meniru si John Grisham. Ya, setelah lulus sekolah dia bisa menulis novel yang terkait dengan psychology. Okay. Alright, so let's see number M. What does Lisa think about Jackie's suggestion? Okay. Menurut apa tanggapannya Lisa terhadap saran dari Jackie? Okay. Okay, I see Shirley back. Okay, let's hear from Shirley.
Hi, Miss.
Okay, finally, we can hear your voice again. Okay, number M, please.
Okay, number M. What does Lisa think about Jackie's suggestion?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Lisa think that is a good idea, but
Okay.
she don't have self-confidence,
Mm-hmm.
and she don't know about whether she have a talent,
Mm-hmm.
writing talent in her.
Okay, yes. Okay. So actually she has the doubts in herself, huh?
Yes, she have a
Yes.
doubt. Or
Okay.
she don't have self-confidence.
Mm-hmm.
Is it the
Okay.
same one?
Yes, it's the same. Okay, so let's see on Lisa number 9 here is a okay. Do you think I'm creative enough to be weaving all the sort of stories like James Grayson require a lot of talent? I don't know whether I have it in me, as there's no confidence in there. And then also she added here, and there is also writer's block. Okay, she add more to that. Okay, the in confidence in her. Okay. All right. So Shirley already make the conclusion from both of those statements from Lisa. Okay, I also agree with you. Let's go do the complete answer on that. Okay, number M. What does Lisa think about Jackie's suggestion? Okay, number M. So Lisa thinks.
Lisa thinks that is a good idea, but
Mhm.
she don't have set self-confidence.
Idea, but she does not
Have. She doubt about
she doesn't
whether
she doesn't
she have
have
the writing talent in her.
self-confidence. She doesn't have any self-confidence about writing.
Writing talent in her.
Writing talent in herself. Oke. Oke, so jadi diterjemahkan kira-kira menurut Lisa itu adalah ide yang bagus ya. Ide yang mana? Ide yang tadi di number L, oke? L, on L, Jackie suggest Lisa to follow John Grisham. Oke, jadi di pertanyaannya nomor L itu Jackie menyarankan Lisa untuk mengikuti contoh yang dilakukan oleh John Grisham setelah lulus sekolah, kemudian menulis novel yang terkait dengan psikologi. Kemudian si Lisa, tanggapan Lisa terkait dengan ide tersebut, dia bilang, oh ya bagus sih, idenya bagus. Tapi ternyata Lisa ini tidak mempunyai rasa percaya diri ya. Rasa percaya diri terkait dengan menulis
Dengan
novel
kemampuan menulis.
yes, kemampuan and about writing. Okay, so if it's when somebody doesn't have the self confidence, it's like they have the keraguannya, the doubts in their self, right? Okay, so like that. Okay, very good. I also agree with Shirley. Okay, thank you, Shirley.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay. So that's for the M. Now let's have a discussion. What type of books do you like to read in your spare time and why? This is going to be more personal, okay? So personal opinion like that. Let's hear from Miss Lily, huh? Okay, there you go. What type of books do you read? Do you like to read in your spare time, Miss Lily?
In my spare time,
Mhm.
I like to look about fashion.
You're reading books?
Only look about.
Looking at the picture?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, do you read? Read, like in read a book, book. Book.
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Now, what kind of book do you read? You may like read
Mm,
about what? Health, maybe about cooking.
yes.
About what else? About
Maybe
self-development. What do you
cooking,
read?
maybe, Miss.
Yes, you read cooking. Oh, okay, okay. Let's answer that. Okay. So in my spare time, yes.
I read.
Okay.
I
I
like to
read.
read about
I
cooking.
like to read about cooking.
Cooking.
Okay, why you like that?
Because
After you read, how you making it or
yes, I try to make
okay.
some
No, so okay, means that you like to read cooking
I try
because
to make it.
by reading it gives you idea, right?
Yes,
Because
Miss.
it gives me more
Idea.
ideas about what do you call about new recipes. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else? Maybe about the presentation of the food, like the hotel, the restaurant. Do you do that also?
No, Miss.
Only the flavor, the taste.
Yes, the
Yes. Okay.
flavor.
Very good. Okay. Well, at least you're reading, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Miss Lily.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, so that's from Miss Lily. Okay, so everybody has a different opinion on it. Okay, so Mr. Tony, can we have like until 8:10, please, to finish these two numbers?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you. All right, let's finish this. Number B, what do you expect to gain from reading book and why? Okay, let's hear from Peter.
Yes, Miss.
Number B, please. Okay, this is in global, okay? So what do you expect by reading books?
What do you
Okay.
expect to gain from reading books?
Mhm.
Gets new.
Apa yang kamu dapatkan nih dari membaca buku secara global ya? Bukunya tidak, I mean like no specific book.
Gets new knowledge.
Okay. Okay. I expect to, by reading books, I expect to, okay. I expect to gain. Peter is still here.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, gain what? New knowledge and anything else?
No,
Experience. You get the experiences. The experiences that usually the author. Okay, the author is gonna write beside the knowledge. They're gonna write it down. Their experience in that book, right? Okay, so you're gonna
right.
get new knowledge and experiences. Okay. Okay, so that's it.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Peter. All right, number C. Why should we read? Okay, why? Okay. Well, right nowadays maybe people less people are reading now. Put their time in reading, but actually that's a good thing, you know. You guys know Warren Buffett. Okay, Warren Buffett is reading daily 6 to 8 hours. Okay, he's old now in his 80s, but he's reading 6 to 8 hours a day, guys. Okay, that's like the time for school is reading. Okay, even though he's in his 80. Okay, okay, let me see. Okay, I want let's hear from Jane. Okay, okay, Jane, what should we
I
read?
we should we should read because by reading like books we have critical thinking skills and analytic skills to make sure that you have the knowledge experience and makes us confident and be confident when you discussed with other peoples with the same ideas.
Okay, so basically Jane is saying that because by reading it's gonna build our analytical thinking. Yes.
Yes, correct.
And then beside that, what else? By reading, you're gonna get actually according to the neuroscience, okay, when you read, okay, it actually enhance your memory. Your memory,
I
some
see.
part of the brain that taking care of the memory, it got enhanced. That okay. Once your memory already enhanced, the function enhanced, and then it's gonna lead to the healthier brain actually, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why like the Warren Buffett like that, even though he's in his 80s, okay, already, but by reading that many hours daily, he's the way he's thinking about those stocks, it's really like critical and analytical like that, because his brain doesn't age like that. Okay, very good. Okay, so let's
Okay.
complete the sentences. Okay, we should read because it builds analytical thinking and also
Enhance the
enhances
memory.
memory function, which lead
happier brain.
yes, function which leads to
Which leads to healthier brain.
to a healthier brain.
Yes, correct.
Okay, very good. I also agree with Jane. Do you read?
Yes, especially when it comes to news and articles.
Articles about?
Probably about either video games or something biology.
Okay. Okay, very good. Yes. I also read, but most of the time what I read is about self-development, okay, and then about the neuroscience, like that thing, okay, how the mindset of how human mindsets works, and then how the brain, okay, the connection between the brain and then the human mind, like that. That's what I read. Okay. Okay, perfect. Anyway, whatever we read, as long it's beneficial to us, that's all matters. Okay, thank you, Jane.
You're welcome.
Okay, perfect. So anyway, so I know with all the activities daily, we might have not enough time to read. So, but try to what do you call? Try to encourage yourself. Okay, I need to finish this book in a month, even though not daily like that, but maybe you have read 30 minutes a day like that. Okay, so by reading, you recognize this, like Jane say, you recognize this new words. Okay, new phrases. Okay, you can just read in Bahasa. Okay, doesn't have to be in English, you know, or you can try half English, maybe started the English and then Indonesian, also both language. Okay, guys. Okay, try to do that daily, consistently. Doesn't not the link. Okay, consistency. That's discipline. That's what's gonna build the improvement in ourselves. Okay, so daily 10 to 30 minutes builds up after a month, builds up to an hour daily like that, and then you'll see the improvement in yourself, the words, and then the way you're saying combine the sentences is gonna be differently. Okay. Well, okay, that's it. The discussion for tonight is really interesting. That's actually a good article for me. The article's idea for me. Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining the class tonight. Okay, hopefully you guys can get the benefits from the tonight's session. Okay. All right, I'll end the class. Thank you for joining again, and then try to review again, and then I'll meet you guys on the following meeting. Okay. Till
Thank
then,
you,
you guys
Miss.
stay
Thank you,
See you
Miss.
next week, Miss.
See you guys.
Bye.